Parang ano, ay hindi na siya nag-form ng ano. Dati ito, yan po. Dati po yan i-form ng ang ano, animal. Bakit naging wala na ang mukha? Dito, ito pala. Hindi pala. Dito, pupunta pala ako tayo sa kabila. Baka makakita natin ang form. Shee. Ito na ang form nito. Pag dito pala sa kabila. Dito sa kabila ang form nito. So, parang ano, ang form niya. Anong tawag niyo dyan? Galing. So, scenery ulit tayo. Nakita ko na yung ano, yung stone. Si ate nag-stop doon. She stopped by and asked me what did I see. And I said it's the form of animal or something or transformer. Because you know, nobody see that I see. Sometimes nag-imagination po scatter. Pero it's good thing. Here comes the National Park Guard. Oh, yan. Uy, nabali na pati ano. Daming ano. Scenery. Itong mga stone na ito. Stone na ito dito. Mga ano dito. Ang daming ganitong stone. Mga 1,000 years na daw ito. So, pag nakita kayo ng ganitong stone na parang wall. Yan, parang wall. It has been house built in this area for 1,000 years ago, according to the people. You see, ang dami ditong mga photographer dahil itong kanilang pinaka for photographer, all photographer, this place is the gold mine. Everybody here gathering every weekend. So look at that. Look at them. Oh. It's really fun. Oh, look at this tree. Embracing the moment of the nature. The two lovers. Really cute and loving tree. Yapos. So we forgot to yes, we must drink first. Water. We will drink some water. We forgot to drink some water. So, hindi na ulan. Rain stops. So, punta tayo dito. Dito po tayo sa sa up in the hill. Kita man yun. Raining. So, tayo na. Doon tayo sa pataas ng para social naman. Hello. Para social naman. Ito ang mga tao. Pag na-skado rin nasigaw. Nagsasalita. Nasigaw akala tayo mayroong ganap. Hello, Abby. What's up? Are you surviving the uphill? Pagod na daw. Skado rin nga hingal na, parang aso ilawit ng dila. Pero din, laban pa rin. Ha? Talaga naman. Punta tayo rin paparun. Sa patag. So, scenery tayo ha. Scenery muna. Punta muna tayo dito. Scenery This is the Swedish autumn. I love Swedish autumn. Tararara. Woo! Bulaga. Tiling tuwan. Autumn is here. Autumn is Swedish is autumn is I love I love this. The happiest moment in my life is to see like this magic. Ito naman, maganda ang colorful. It's yellow but it's colorful. Look at the surrounding. Dami po nagpipiknik dito, lalo na mga family. Let's see what my husband prepared to me. It's cheese with shrimp and some tea. Where is the tea? My husband is getting old because he is tired now. And Kadura is holding the camera, of course. This is a tea. We have one each. And we will sit here in this town and looking to that view.
Looking to the future.
Yes.
Taking it in. What will get?
Yeah, but some hills.
Just to them blow up.
But
No.
ito, chia bread. Chia bread with Swedish bacon.
Så att många amerikaner som kommer där, liksom my life as an American in Sweden. Saker de tycker är konstiga. Och
You see, everybody thinks this is weird. This is Swedish, what we call that?
soft cheese.
Cheese, shrimp cheese with chia bread, and then you just pop it
Or toothpaste.
with toothpaste. And then eat it as it is or one by one. Okay. Sarap. Bon appetit. Lunch po tayo.
Ja, du tog kocken.
You're cooking.
Jag vet inte.
So guys, it's raining, so I have to, my camera is wet. But anyway, bon appetit tayo and continue the eating with this view. So, continue po. We have just eaten our lunch
In the rain.
in the rain. So, we continue doon, continue walking and ayun. As you see, I'm basa. So, we gonna look at my nature. So, tayo na po doon. Sige, tayo. Ay, naulan guys. Ulan, malakas ang ulan. Pero punta tayo dito sa sinasabi nilang yung view. Amazing view. Ay, meron pala doon lakadan. Wala ito nung nandito kami 2 years ago. That was not mall. Inte mall.
Det kommer flera som ser hur moln är och det är moln är.
Ang tawag po. Ito. Ang ganda, Really beautiful. Sa man ang mga nito. Scenery.
Pausa boss, du vet.
Yung sabi ng asawa ko, yun daw ay dito, ulap. Sabi ko hindi, pagka when is the ground is warm, it builds ang tawag dito, smoke, not smoke. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Pero maganda i-zoom natin ito. Hanggang dun really nice. Ito po, yun. Doon. Doon po sana ako maglakad, pero dito na lang po sa sa ground. Dahil baka madulas daw doon. So dito tayo, follow me. Sa ground, mga kahoy. Kahoy. Mga mushroom na yun, oh. At underground. Underground, dararay, tipot. Oh, look at this. Ang mushroom. Hindi yan nakakain. Look at this, talagang ganda ang yellow. Yellow. Yung ibang mga orange na Ay, meron pa pala doon sa may bakod. Ito pala yung view na doon sa mababa na may tubig. Ayan, doon oh. Saan doon pala? Doon ako nanggaling kanina. Doon tayo nagpasimula eh. Doon. So, thank you guys. I have to end this vlog now, and thank you for watching, and see you in my next vlog. Blue love!